singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. This is my message to you.